In this video, I will be sharing one of my favorite DIY recipes for a tea. These are all of the ingredients that I will add into my pot of water. I'm gonna throw in some ginger root. And I don't put too much, just a couple of pieces will do just fine. I've also got some garlic cloves. I'm gonna add in a nice chunk of horseradish root. I've got some lemongrass, some tarragon, and I'm also going to add in one of my new favorite ingredients, which is PREKESE. I will also throw in a few slices of lime. Now with the PREKESE, this is my first time using it. I've heard a lot of really great things about this wonderful ingredient. The scientific name for it is Tetrapluera tetraptera. It is a West African flowering plant belonging to the pea family. It is used for many Ghanaian and Nigerian cuisines such as soups and is known for providing a beautiful fragrance. It contains essential phytochemicals and nutrients to aid in the overall functionality of the body. It is a great source of potassium, iron, calcium, zinc, and it also contains flavonoids, which are the chemical messengers and physiological regulators and cell inhibitors, which will help fight free radicals and eliminate oxidative stress from within the body. So this tea will be very calming and relaxing. I've also added in a few pinches of African bird pepper just to give it a little kick. And as I'm boiling it here, you really get that strong aroma from the PREKESE, and it smells lovely. I really enjoy it. It is also a very spiritual ingredient that is used in a lot of different ways. You can burn it, and it acts as like an incense, and it smells really wonderful, and I really enjoy this ingredient. As you can see here, once I see most of the color fading from my limes, that's kind of an indicator that it is pretty much ready. I don't want to overboil it and ruin any of the ingredients that I have here. So I'm going to strain all of the liquid from my ingredients, and I will put it into a jar once it cools, and then it will be ready to drink. So after I finish boiling and jarring the tea, I don't get rid of the PREKESE. I feel like it is such a beautiful ingredient. I want to keep it and use it in more than one way. So here is the finished product. And as you can see here, most of the color will come from the PREKESE. It is like a golden kind of color, and it has a wonderful taste. Thanks for watching.